Hagasni balang kata Shri unai lor arhajar puar Shillong Law College haringkat kajingat lang bat ka Positive Energy Arts Foundation hapo kajingalam jong u Dr Prakash Kishore bat hapo kajingkershan jong ka Ministry of Culture jong ka sarkar pedeng kala Pynlong ek program ka balaismi ka blatep kum ka Tynrai Jong Ka Longrynieng kum shibinta ban ken maum yaki khlawat ka jilla hasusu Tham Auditorium Shillong. Kibalay don lang hakatek program kikintop yu Commissioner but Secretary Katanat Arts and Culture ba Frederick Roy Kharkongor u Director ka AKAM Secretary ka Sarkar Pedeng u Deepak Israni u President ka Governing Body ka Shillong Law College u ba W Khyllep itukhat ka Governing Body ka Tay ka College u Dr M P R Lyngdoh u Chairman ka Positive Energy Arts Foundation u Dr Prakash Kishore kinong kay ba kikina puli ka Shillong Law College pat kiwe. Habakran hakate gajingalang upa Frederick Roy Kharkongor ula ay kuble ka Shillong Law College bat ka Positive Energy Arts Foundation nakabenta ka jing Tracy Tom ka Jongki ban Pynlong yakate program ka bapen ken ma yu pat ba shipang ka jing no sinyang bat jing shimbenta ki khlawat ka jila kum utirot sing ukyang nong ba bat upatogan sangma ha ka jingale Jongki persha yikinong sinsha pareng. Uba Kharkongor ulo ongru ba ukerman ba kumkini ki program kindang yai biteng nakapor shakapor yakabal Katanat Arts and Culture ru kala banyai biteng ya kajingkishan hakiliang baro.
I request Secretary Culture to send me the proposal, and I assure you that the ministry will try its level best to extend the maximum support for the said cause. Please excuse me if I have pronounced any of the word wrongly.
You know that this is the 75th year of of India's independence, the Azadi Amrit Mahotsav, and it has been celebrated in a very befitting manner in the past few months. Just a few weeks ago, we had the Har Ghar Tiranga program, which was launched here itself, and in our state, it was participated, very enthusiastically. Almost 7 lakh plus flags were, unfurled all across the state, and we had very vibrant participation from the NGOs. I was just glancing through the program that you have, and it is very encouraging to see that it's a mix of both culture as well as, ideation. You have a lot of very interesting topics, right from culture to the role of various traditional institutions. Your very theme, Tynrai Jong Ka Longrynieng, which talks about the roots of identity, I think is something which is very relevant, not only for 75 years, but for all time to come. Because we need to remember how this freedom was brought about. We all know about the story and about the valiant exploits of the leaders, of the national movement. But I would like to appreciate the Government of India and the Ministry of Culture for putting a spotlight on the unsung heroes, on the leaders such as Unsung and Kyangnomba and Patogan Sangma, who in a sense are the precursors to the Indian national movement. They led and they were leaders of the tribal resistance movement. Unsung, as you know, waged a 4-year-old battle against the forces of British colonialism from 1829 onwards until he was captured, or some people say surrendered, before the forces of the British Raj in 1833. He of course breathed his last in Dhaka on the 17th of July. But it's not a small feat to fight against the major colonial powers with just bows and arrows, but through his guerrilla warfare, he was able to keep the British at bay. In fact, just a few months ago, I had the opportunity to visit the caves, which are known as the Krem Tirot, which are in Nongklao, from where he waged these guerrilla warfare, and the place where he, Khasis have a tradition of having monoliths, of erecting stones, and the place which was used as his temporary sort of seating place, that is still there. So if the visitors from Delhi, if they have the chance, please do take them. I would urge Mr. Prakash and the principal, please do take them to the caves of our state as well. So these are some thoughts that I wanted to share with you. I want to congratulate the Ministry of Culture, Positive Art Foundation, Shillong Law College for this very wonderful collaborative program as a tribute to our unsung heroes. And we as a Department of Art and Culture will continue to be actively involved in every such program that you do. And we also encourage you to have more such programs. And we hope that from Ministry of Culture also they will continue to support such programs which will plant the seed of patriotism, which will plant the seed of pride in our heritage, and this will build a good platform for us to look ahead in the next 75 years as well. As our Prime Minister says, the Amrit Kal. So I end with these words. Thank you very much.